Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at our 33-foot Boston whaler, Outrage. This boat has the white Mercuries. It's in tectonic silver with chrome graphics. Does have outriggers. The radar is on. It has electronics. Boat does have a windlass. We'll go inside and take a look. As we enter the 33-foot Boston whaler Outrage, we can see mezzanine style seating with a live well underneath. It does flip down, has a table, the rigging baits. This boat has a fold down seat aft, a second live well aft, rod holders in the transom. This boat has a door in the side for boarding. This boat has electronics, two 16-inch Raymarine GPS fish finders. This boat also has active trim. This is a joystick boat. Mercury smart gauges. Boat has a spotlight, push to start engine buttons, Lenco trim tabs, electronic controls. Does have a remote speaker for the VHF and an overhead box. As we go forward on the 33, you can see it has a lounge forward with storage underneath, seating forward with storage underneath, a table we put up front for entertaining, rod holders forward, rod holders on the side, on both sides. This boat does have two jump seats which come out from either side for fishing, gets you out of the shade. Cockpit combing the full length. There is a drop down footrest in front of the helm. It is a marine head with a sink with plenty of storage. Does have white Mercury 350s on it. Four rod rocket launcher across the back. Cockpit lights. This is our 2019 33-foot Outrage at MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.